Introduction to drawing. Take 2B pencil and a ruler to make grayscale. Create 9-step grayscale. Divide the rectangle into half-inch wide rectangles. There will be 9 of the shapes. Shade the boxes to match the 9-step grayscale. Notice in the scale below there is a progression from black to white with evenly distributed gray values in between white and black. Light and shadow on a sphere. First draw a hollow circle with a light line. In the second circle, draw hidden line as dotted line to give a 3D look. Choose a light source for this sphere. The light source in this example is on the upper left, somewhat in front of the page. Begin shading. Start opposite the light source and move inwards. The darkest area is the occlusion shadow underneath the object. Create circles or partial circles of equal value. As you move towards the light source, fill the circle with less and less pressure. Heavier on the dark area, lighter on the light area. You can leave a round spot nearest the light source, the color of the white page. Light and shadow on a cube. Draw a square. The two vertical sides are parallel and the two horizontal lines are parallel too. Draw a second square offset to the side behind the first. Draw parallel lines joining the top corners and bottom corners of the two squares. Straighten the lines and tidy up the edges and make the shadow. Now start shading. Select one side to be dark in tone, one to be medium and one light. This will give the impression of a three-dimensional shape. Build up layers of shading, and the shading isn't always completely even to make it a little more realistic. Add some shadows. In this cube, light sources coming from the left side.